What if I told you I made this beautiful and perfect bag myself? Yes, I made it myself. This bag can either be carried as a shoulder bag like this, or it can be rocked with the long strap, which can be carried like this, or you can just carry it across your body like a crossbody bag.
All you doubting Thomas, I know you don't believe I made this bag myself, but trust me, if you keep watching, I'll be spilling all the details and all the teas about this bag shortly. Stay tuned.
Join me as I unbox while I tell you the secret behind my beautiful and perfect leather bag. The secret behind it is Babylon Leather. So Babylon Leather is a leather brand that specializes in leather craftsmanship. They also sell leather pieces, leather hardwares, bag patterns. They sell accessories for bag making. They sell tools required for bag making, and they also offer comprehensive guide. Babylon Leather also sell DIY leather kits. These are for everyone interested in leather craft, bag making, and also craft lover. Right now, I'm unboxing one of their DIY leather kits and I absolutely love it. Let me tell you the things I love about this leather kit. Firstly, it is beginners friendly, so you don't have to have any experience in leather crafts or bag making before you can assemble and sew this bag pieces. Another thing I like about this leather kit is that no machine is needed. You don't need a sewing machine for you to be able to achieve the bag, that is to assemble the bag, because it is 100% hand sewn from start to finish. It is 100% and sewn. Another good thing about this leather kit is that each leather kit has a detailed video on their YouTube channel, which will guide you on how to identify the leather pieces, how to assemble the leather pieces, how to sew the leather pieces. It will guide you from start to finish of the bag. I bet you don't know that this high quality leather material are pre-cut, pre-treated, and also pre-punched with precise pinhole. Interesting, right? If you are familiar with leather craft, you will know that it is not easy for you to pass a pin through a leather, especially if you are unsewing the leather. So this just makes the sewing experience a lot more easier. This leather kit also comes with everything you need to complete the bag. I'm talking about the toolkits, the hardwares, the accessories, the needle, the thread, the clips, everything you need to complete this bag. It comes with each leather kit. Now, the best part about this DIY leather kit and Babylon Leather is that they offer worldwide and free shipping. Yes, you don't have to worry about it getting to your country because it is worldwide and the shipping is free. So guys, head over to their website to see the beautiful bag designs they have in their DIY leather kits, and you can also go over to their website to order for your leather pieces, your bag patterns, bag accessories, bag hardwares, and other things that they sell.
If you click on the first link in the description box of this video, you get 20% discount on your purchase, or you can just use my code Odunayomi20, which is showing right now on the screen, to also get discount on any purchase you make on the website. So guys, every link you need to their website, to the tutorial of this bag, will be linked in the description box, so just do well to check them out. So guys, let's assemble and sew these leather pieces together. Like I mentioned earlier, they have a detailed tutorial for each leather kit on their YouTube channel. So that is what I will also be watching to assemble my bag. So it is the tutorial I will also be following to assemble my bag. So whatsoever they are doing there, I will also do the same for me to also achieve the same results like they did. Right now, what I'm doing is to measure my thread, and I'm measuring like times 2 of this. So what I want to do right now is to fix the D ring to the small leather piece to the side of the bag. So just keep watching to see what I'm doing. So I'm threading the needle currently, and this is how it is done. My own tutorial will not be a detailed tutorial because there is already a detailed tutorial on their channel which I'm also following. So in this video, I'll just be taking you through the process in which I achieved my own using their own tutorial. So I'll just be showing you my own process. So keep watching to see how I was able to achieve that beautiful bag you saw in the intro. So what I'm doing now is to fix this part here to the edge over there. So I'll be fixing this part just like this, and I will be sewing and I'll be sewing it. So I'll be doing it for both sides. So that's the first step from the video. So from the video they said for you to assemble the bag you have to do this first. So this is the first step of the sewing. So guys, I've went ahead to fix this D ring and this small strap to the edge of this leather piece. So I'm cutting the excess thread I have. So I'll be cutting excess thread I have. When you are cutting this thread, make sure you leave few millimeters, just few, so that we'll burn the thread for us to secure the thread from losing. So this is the other step, and we are fixing the back bodies to the zipper side. So that's what I'm doing currently, and I've also measured my thread, and I will thread my needle. So I'll go ahead and also sew this, then I will be back shortly. So this is what it looks like. I've went ahead to wear this my thumb glove. I don't know what it is called, but it's like a thumb glove. So it helps me reduce the friction I feel on my thumb while passing the needle through the holes. So when I put this on, it was very easy and I was not feeling any discomfort on my thumb. So the next thing to do is to join this together, and for us to join this together, there is this thing we have to insert beside the bag. I don't know how to explain this. If you watch their detailed tutorial, you will understand better. So I'm just doing what they are doing in the video. Right now I'm done with the first part of this bag, and I won't lie, this was not the most easy thing to do, but I could do it, but it just require patience and time. So I'll be doing this other side too. You have to be gentle with this side because you are inserting a leather piece in between this, and it is not that easy. So it is something that you can do, but it is not that easy. You have to be patient and know what you are doing at this point. Like I said, I don't have any experience with leather bag making, but as you can see, I was able to achieve this following the tutorial provided on their channel. So you can also do this even if you're a beginner. It is very easy. It is just hand sewing, and they will teach you how to also pass the needle through the pinhole. They teach you the process. So I followed the process and I was able to achieve my bag. As you can see, I'm almost done with the bag. I'm almost done. So you have to make sure you tighten the thread so that the sewing can be very neat. And like I said, you have to leave some space, some thread, so that we'll be burning the thread to secure it from losing. I'll be showing you how I did that very soon also. So I'm done with this bag. As you can see, it is very cute, very small, very neat. It is very neat, very portable. I love this. I enjoy the experience of sewing this bag and I feel very proud of myself. So like I said, all the thread that I left, because my lighter was not with me at the point I was sewing, so I'll just be using this lighter to seal the edge. Make sure you are very careful so you don't burn your bag. So you just make sure you seal the edge so that the thread will not loosen. So after you are done, you just go ahead and insert your handle. So we don't have to do anything on the handle, it is ready made. So we just have to fix it to the bag. And this bag comes with two handles. It comes with two handles. So this is the shoulder handle, and the other one is the long strap, which can be used as a crossbody, which can be used to carry this bag as a crossbody bag. Or if you just prefer a long handle, you can just use it. So I'm trying to readjust the handle so that I can style this bag. This bag is ready and I feel so proud of myself. I feel so proud of myself. So this is what a closer look of the bag looks like. As you can see, my sewing is very neat and very perfect. And like I said, this bag, the leather pieces are pre-punched, so it makes it very easy for me to assemble this bag. So guys, check my description box to get the link to this bag. And when you click on that link, the first link in the description box, to get this bag, you get 20% discount on your purchase. Or if you use my discount code, you get discount on any purchase you made on their website. So go over now and get yours and also recreate this bag. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.